What's up, West Coast Swing fans? In this video, we're going to talk about how to count West Coast Swing. Now, there's 3 levels of musicality for West Coast Swing. In this video, we're going to talk about how to count it. In the next video in this series, we're going to talk about the critical timing. So this is for you more intermediate dancers. And then finally, we're going to follow up with our secret to West Coast Swing musicality. So hold on tight. Now, if you're a more experienced dancer, you might think counting West Coast Swing is easy, but if you're a new dancer, you'll understand it's challenging. So in this video, we're going to teach you 3 different ways to count it. If you are more experienced, I recommend you watch this because you might have the opportunity to help someone with one of these techniques. But if you want to cheat and jump ahead, you can jump ahead to the next 2 videos in the series right here. So let's cover the 3 different ways we can count West Coast Swing. We're going to use a sugar push and a whip, a 6 and 8 count pattern as our workspace. So if we counted the sugar push, the most traditional way would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. If we counted the whip, the 8 count pattern, it would count like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, new people struggle staying on time, so sometimes as teachers we come up with alternate ways to keep them on time and keep the rhythm. So Megan has a great way.
So my way is to say walk, walk, triple step for the sugar push. So we have walk, walk, triple step, and for the whip we have walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, triple step.
Now, if that's still a struggle, you can actually, a third way is you could count the steps, right? So we have walks and triples, and we would count the steps like this. We would count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So those are 3 different ways that you can count West Coast Swing as a beginner to stay on time. Now, you might notice that there's a 6 and 8 count pattern, and later on we start to play with those patterns and come up with all sorts of different counts for the patterns. All right, so at this point, hopefully you are counting the music properly and you're on time with your basic patterns. But you might be struggling with the 6 and 8 count patterns and how West Coast Swing doesn't seem to match the music. That's what we're going to cover in the next video called Critical Timing for West Coast Swing, and you can watch that right here.